Hey guys, it's me Cameron, and I may have developed an AI that has seemingly generated a design for an airplane wing in situ of a fluid simulation model of air that I developed in Python, and it's really actually it's quite interesting. So it's currently sort of developing in situ as well. I mean, currently in its current state, it currently it's sort of functioning, and I'm currently happy that it seems to be somewhat functioning. Like currently, it seems to be in a state of adding pixels. Currently seems to be in a state of adding pixels, or not actually adding pixels, but adding pixels. Currently, it seems to be in a state of adding pixels, and so yeah, this is actually really quite exciting. This kind of like possibly opens up an entire set of possibilities. I mean, in terms of like process engineering, aeronautical engineering, like energy engineering. This currently could be really quite significant, actually. I'm currently quite excited about this, I think. Like currently it's in a state of adding pixels, so me scrubbing ahead is kind of like adding pixels, but whether yeah, I mean, it kind of like currently is in a state of adding pixels, but yeah, it's really quite currently interesting. This what currently seems to be this system. So I developed this AI, and I developed this I developed this AI, and I developed this Navier Stokes air fluid model as well in Python. I mean, Navier Stokes equations are from Navier Stokes, but I developed this AI concept, and I coded this Navier Stokes air simulation in Python. So thanks for listening. I'm Cameron, and thanks for listening.